Hi, good morning children. Now we are in 4th standard and you are not familiar with me. My name is Reshma and I am going to teach you GK. Hope you all like the subject GK. The first chapter you are going to study in this GK is Animal World. What all animals have you seen? Yeah, you know domestic animal, wild animals, etc. What all wild animals you know? Lion, tiger, deer, bear, etc. and many animals. Now we are going to study about a strange animal which you haven't seen later. The animal which you are going to study is okapi. O-K-A-P-I. Look at the picture. Have you seen it? No. This is okapi and this is usually found in Africa and it is an endangered animal. Now what all animal do you resemble in this picture? Just look at this picture and you can see it resembles like a zebra, a giraffe, a deer, etc. So this okapi resembles many animals. The main facts about okapi is it has long horizontal strips on its legs. Just look at the picture. These long horizontal strips. The next fact is it has a long tongue so that it can clean its eyes and ears with that tongue. The next fact about the okapi is it has large upright ears which help them to hear the very minute sound so that it can escape from the dangers. It usually eats twigs, grass, it usually leaves, fruits, grass and twigs are its main staple food. These are all the facts about okapi. This is usually a vegetarian and these are the okapi is a strange animal. Look at the picture and just read the chapter 2 times. These are all about animal world. Hope you all have understood the chapter. Now there is some simple questions for you just for a fun. That's animal question. Just look at the text. Whales are mammals, true or false? What are mammals? Mammals are those animals which give birth and feed their babies. Whales are mammals, true or false? Yeah, it's true. Whale is usually a mammal. The next question in the text is, which bird can fly straight up, down and backward? Which bird? Yeah, hummingbird can fly straight up, down and backward. Which of these lays its eggs in holes in the ground, a lizard or a grasshopper? Haven't you seen a lizard or a grasshopper? Yeah, it is usually seen in your house. Yes, a lizard lays its eggs in a hole in the ground. The last question is, which of these has a tail? A chimpanzee, a baboon or a gorilla? Which one of these has a tail? Have you seen a chimpanzee, a baboon or a gorilla? Yes, of course you have seen in the TV and papers, etc. A baboon has a tail in this. Baboon is the answer of this question. Baboon has a tail. These all facts about okapi in the first chapter. Just study this, read this chapter 2 times and you can study this. Thank you.